Welcome back. Today we look into the world's 10 best combat attack drones currently in service. So guys, watch full video to find out which drone dominates today's unmanned aerial combat. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel if you are new here. Okay, now let's begin. The Elbit Hermes 900 is a medium-altitude, long-endurance male combat drone, developed by Elbit Systems of Israel, and inducted into service in 2014. It is available in ISR, maritime patrol, border surveillance, electronic warfare, and armed strike configurations. Powered by a Rotax 914 turbocharged piston engine, it reaches a top speed of around 220 km per hour, has a 30,000-foot service ceiling, and can fly for over 36 hours with a range exceeding 1,000 kilometers, using SATCOM. It carries up to 350 kilograms of payload, including precision-guided missiles and smart bombs. Its AESA maritime radar, synthetic aperture radar, SAR, electro-optical, infrared cameras, laser designator, and advanced data links provide outstanding situational awareness. Hermes' long endurance, multi-mission flexibility, proven reliability, and precision strike capability make it one of the world's finest combat drones. The GJ-11 Sharp Sword is a Chinese stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, developed by the Aviation Industry Corporation of China. It first flew in 2013, and reportedly entered service around 2021. Featuring a flying wing stealth design, it is optimized for deep strike, reconnaissance, and suppression of enemy air defenses, SEAD missions. Powered by a single turbofan engine with a concealed exhaust, it is estimated to reach speeds of 800 to 1,000 km per hour. With a service ceiling of about 12,000 meters, 39,000 feet, and a range exceeding 4,000 kilometers. Internal weapon bays carry precision-guided bombs, and air-to-surface missiles, while preserving stealth. Its advanced electro-optical, infrared sensors, AESA radar, satellite communications, AI-assisted mission management, and autonomous flight capabilities make the GJ-11 one of the world's most advanced stealth combat attack drones. The Bayraktar TB2 is a medium-altitude, long-endurance male combat drone, developed by Turkey's Baker, and inducted into service in 2014. It is available in reconnaissance, surveillance, target acquisition, and armed strike configurations. Powered by a 100-horsepower Rotax 912 piston engine, it reaches a maximum speed of about 220 km per hour, has a service ceiling of 27,000 feet, and an operational range of over 300 km via line-of-sight control, with endurance exceeding 27 hours. It carries up to 150 kilograms of payload, including MAM-L, MAMC, and MAM-T precision-guided munitions. Electro-optical, infrared cameras, laser designator, advanced mission computers, encrypted data links, and autonomous flight technology provide excellent battlefield awareness. Its affordability, combat-proven precision, reliability, and operational success make the TB2 one of the world's most effective combat attack drones at present. The MQ-1C Grey Eagle is a medium-altitude, long-endurance male combat drone, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, for the U.S. Army, and inducted into service in 2009. It is configured for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance ISR, target acquisition, and precision strike missions. Powered by a 165-horsepower Thielert Centurion 1.7 heavy fuel engine, it reaches speeds of about 280 km per hour, has a service ceiling of 29,000 feet, and an operational range exceeding 400 kilometers via line of sight, with satellite communications enabling much longer missions. It carries up to 360 kilograms of payload, including AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, and other precision-guided weapons. Its AN/ZPY 1-star light SAR, GMTI radar, electro-optical, infrared cameras, laser designator, autonomous flight systems, and secure data links deliver outstanding battlefield awareness, making it one of the world's best combat drones. The Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik B is a Russian heavy stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, developed by Sukhoi. It first flew in 2019 and is expected to enter operational service later in the 2020s. Featuring a flying wing stealth configuration, it is designed for deep strike, reconnaissance, and loyal wingman missions alongside the Su-57 fighter. Powered by a single Saturn AL-31F turbofan engine, it can reach speeds of around 1,000 km per hour. With a service ceiling of about 18,000 meters, 59,000 feet, and a range of approximately 6,000 kilometers. It carries up to 2,800 kilograms of weapons in internal bays, including precision-guided bombs, and air-to-surface missiles. Advanced AESA radar, electro-optical infrared sensors, AI-assisted autonomous systems, secure data links, and low observable technology make the S-70 one of the world's most advanced stealth combat drones. The Heron TP Eden is a medium-altitude, long-endurance, male combat drone. Developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI, and inducted into service with the Israeli Air Force in 2010. It is configured for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance ISR, maritime patrol, electronic warfare, and precision strike missions. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney Canada PT-6A turboprop engine, it reaches speeds of about 400 km per hour, has a service ceiling of 45,000 feet, and a range exceeding 7,000 kilometers, with endurance of over 30 hours. It carries up to 2,700 kilograms of payload, including precision-guided missiles and smart bombs. Advanced AESA radar, synthetic aperture radar, SAR, electro-optical infrared cameras, satellite communications, and autonomous mission systems provide exceptional battlefield awareness. Its high payload, long endurance, proven reliability, and multi-role capability make it one of the world's best combat drones currently in service. The TIE Aksunger is a medium-altitude, long-endurance, male combat drone. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries (TIE) and inducted into service in 2021. Designed for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance ISR, maritime patrol, anti-submarine warfare, and precision strike missions. It is powered by two TE PD-170 turbo diesel engines. The drone reaches a top speed of about 250 km per hour. Has a service ceiling of 40,000 feet. A range exceeding 6,500 kilometers, with SATCOM, and an endurance of up to 50 hours. It can carry 750 kilograms of payload, including MAM-L, MAM-T, Talon, TEBER guided bombs, and Surat laser guided rockets. Its AESA maritime radar, electro-optical infrared cameras, SAR, electronic warfare systems, autonomous flight technology, and secure data links provide exceptional mission capability, making the Aksunger one of the world's most versatile combat drones.
And now, the top 3s. But before moving forward, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks. It means a lot. Okay, let's continue. In number 3.
The CAIG Wing Long 3 is a high-end medium-altitude, long-endurance, male combat drone. Developed by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group, CAIG, of China. It was publicly unveiled in 2022, and is entering service for domestic and export customers. Designed for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance ISR, maritime patrol, electronic warfare, and precision strike missions. It is powered by a single turbocharged piston engine. The drone reaches speeds of about 370 km per hour. Has a service ceiling of 10,000 meters, 33,000 feet, and a ferry range of up to 10,000 kilometers. It carries up to 2,300 kilograms of payload on multiple hardpoints, including guided bombs and air-to-surface missiles. Equipped with AESA radar, synthetic aperture radar, SAR, electro-optical, infrared cameras, SATCOM, AI-assisted mission systems, and autonomous flight capabilities, the Wing Long 3 combines long range, heavy payload, and multi-role flexibility, making it one of the world's most capable combat drones currently in service.
The Bayraktar Akinci is a high-altitude, long-endurance, HAL, combat drone. Developed by Baker of Turkey. And inducted into service in 2021. Designed for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, electronic warfare, maritime patrol, and precision strike missions. It is powered by two AI-450T turboprop engines. The drone reaches a top speed of about 360 km per hour, has a service ceiling of 40,000 feet, an endurance of up to 24 hours, and large operational range enabled by SATCOM. It carries up to 1,500 kilograms of payload, including MAM-L, MAM-T, SOM cruise missiles, Bozic, Tabur-guided bombs, and Gokdoan and Bozdoan air-to-air missiles. Equipped with an AESA radar, SAR, EO, IR cameras, electronic support systems, eye-assisted avionics, and autonomous flight technology, the Akinci offers exceptional multi-role capability, making it one of the world's most advanced combat drones. And now finally, the world's most advanced combat attack drone currently in service is the MQ-9 Reaper. MQ-9 Reaper is a medium-altitude, long-endurance, male combat drone, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems for the United States. It entered service with the U.S. Air Force in 2007, and is used for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, precision strike, and maritime security missions. It is powered by a Honeywell TPE 331-10 turboprop engine. It reaches a top speed of about 482 km per hour, has a service ceiling of 50,000 feet, an endurance of up to 27 hours, and global reach through SATCOM. It carries up to 1,700 kilograms of payload, including a GM-114 Hellfire missiles, GBU-12 Paveway 2, GBU-38 JDAM, and GBU-54 laser-guided bombs. Its AN/APY-8 Lynx 2 SAR, GMTI radar, EO, IR cameras, laser designator, secure data links, and autonomous flight systems provide exceptional battlefield awareness, making the MQ-9 Reaper the world's most capable, most advanced, best, and combat-proven attack drones ever built. And there you have it. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you all enjoyed. Give your thoughts in the comment box below. And also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Thanks.